while back, I made a video showcasing a simple little app I built for myself because I was getting frustrated trying to keep track of important moments while recording. I just needed a simple way to hit the button and mark a timestamp. Well, that little app has grown up a little bit based on my own needs. I've made some updates on it, and I think it's finally time to make another video on it because I think some people might find this helpful. So here I'm going to walk you through how I exactly use this tool for my own workflow and how it actually saves my time when I start editing my videos. Okay, so here's a typical recording scenario for me. I got my game on one screen, and then I got my OBS and timestamp app on the other screen. The first thing before I even start recording, I hit my button in the Stream Deck to create a new file. Notice the name, it's the date and time. This is key because I have an OBS set up to name my video files exactly the same way. This way I don't have to guess which nodes go to which file, and I can easily find exact match. Then I just press my button in Stream Deck to start recording, and then the timer starts and we get the name of the file on top of the text field. Now as I'm recording, anytime something interesting happens, a good take, a mistake, a funny moment, I just tap the F15, which is on my Stream Deck, and put a marker to mark that time. Now you also can see that the timestamps are numbered. If you use OBS and record the hybrid MP4, these numbers will correspond exactly to the chapter markers that automatically show up in DaVinci Resolve. It makes finding these spots so easy. Then, when I have a spare second, I just click next to the timestamp and I write down a quick note like good intro take or fix audio here or anything else that happened during that marker. Then I also have a save short button, which basically allows me to take those unscripted moments using the OBS replay buffer. I can immediately hit the button, it will create a timestamp and a file name for that short, and then I can just go and write what happens in that short. So even if I take a week break from this, I can come back and I can read these notes and I can have an idea what that clip is for. That's pretty much all the same features I had in the video before this. Obviously I did some cleanup and change some small stuff, but here's kind of the big updates that I've done on the app. So I actually wanted to try to make the app a bit more accessible. The app before required you to kind of have a Stream Deck or use something like AutoHotkey to bind those F13 to F24 keys. They were like hard-coded into the app. So I decided to create this setting option where you can actually pick the binds now. So even if you don't own Stream Deck, you don't want to struggle with those other apps, you can basically just use, for example, from F9 to F12 and just bind your OBS and this app to those keys, and you can easily able to use this app. Secondly, is this a bit more niche feature that I use myself quite a bit, and I'm kind of calling it a voice note. Basically, when I press the key, it sets up OBS to mute my main microphone, and it activates the separate microphone input just for 10 seconds, recording it to a different audio track. This is like perfect for something like Let's Plays, where you want to leave a detail note for future editor me without breaking the flow of the recording or having my note end up in the final video. It's just way faster than tapping out and writing down the note, and I can just do it quickly. And then even on the editing phase, it's going to be kind of easier because you can listen to the notes while you're editing, and it makes it just really easy. And that's pretty much it. It's not very flashy, but it is designed to be like a simple, lightweight, it's really a tool that I created out of a real need for myself, and it genuinely makes my life so much easier when it comes to recording and editing. So yeah, if this looks like something that could help you out too, it's completely free. You can check out my GitHub, download the latest version. It's just a single exe file you can download and run. There's no installers or anything like that. It will create like a JSON file for you to keep your key bindings on, but that's it. But yeah, I'd love to know what you think. If you have like an idea for feature that would kind of fit this simplistic philosophy, or there's something broken in the app, drop a comment. I can try to fix that or add the feature. No promises though. After all, the disclaimer here, I built this for myself. It works. I have very little interest to actually like make this some kind of a product, but we can always talk about it in the comments. If you found this helpful, like a video, always appreciate it, and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.